Imagine this: a successful entrepreneur, cruising through life with a thriving business and a fat bank account, wakes up one morning to find his entire world crumbling because of one fateful decision. In a split second, $200,000. Gone. Poof. But what if I told you this isn't just a nightmare? It's the real-life roller coaster of Alex Thompson, a man who stared into the abyss of financial ruin and clawed his way back stronger than ever. If you're hooked already and want more jaw-dropping stories of financial triumphs and pitfalls, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Your support keeps these tales coming. Now let's dive into Alex's shocking story. Back in 2018, Alex was a 35-year-old tech consultant in Silicon Valley, pulling in 6 figures annually. He'd built a comfortable life, a nice house, a growing family, and a side hustle flipping real estate. But like many ambitious folks, he craved more. That's when he heard about cryptocurrency from a buddy at a networking event. Bitcoin was soaring, Ethereum was the next big thing, and everyone seemed to be getting rich overnight. Tempted by tales of overnight millionaires, Alex dove in headfirst. He researched a hot new altcoin called Nova Coin, promising revolutionary blockchain tech for supply chains. The white paper looked legit. Influencers were hyping it on social media, and the ICO, initial coin offering, was generating buzz. Convinced this was his ticket to early retirement, Alex liquidated $200,000 from his savings and investments, pouring it all into Nova Coin tokens. At first, it was euphoria. The coin's value doubled in weeks, and Alex watched his portfolio balloon to nearly $400,000 on paper. He bragged to friends, dreamed of quitting his job, and even booked a family vacation to celebrate. But then, the red flags started appearing. Whispers of regulatory scrutiny, rumors of the founders dumping tokens, and a sudden market dip. Alex dismissed them. Classic FOMO, fear of missing out, blinding him. Then came the crash. In late 2018, amid the broader crypto winter, Nova Coin was exposed as a pump-and-dump scheme. The founders vanished with millions. The token plummeted 95% overnight, and Alex's $200,000 investment withered to a measly $10,000. He was devastated. Sleepless nights, arguments with his wife about their future, and the crushing weight of regret. How could I be so stupid, he thought, staring at his depleted bank statements. But here's where the bounce back begins. Instead of wallowing, Alex turned his pain into purpose. He enrolled in online finance courses, devoured books like The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham, and joined investor communities. He realized his mistake wasn't just bad luck. It was a lack of diversification, due diligence, and emotional control. Step by step, Alex rebuilt. He cut unnecessary expenses, ramped up his consulting gigs for extra income, and started investing smarter. 70% in low-cost index funds tracking the S&P 500, 20% in bonds, and 10% in blue-chip stocks. He automated contributions to a Roth IRA and built an emergency fund covering 6 months of expenses. By 2022, as markets recovered from the pandemic dip, Alex's portfolio was growing steadily at 7 to 10% annually through compound interest. He even flipped his crypto horror into a side gig, a blog sharing lessons from his loss, which attracted sponsors and affiliate deals. Fast forward to today, in 2025, Alex's net worth has surpassed $500,000. Not from get-rich-quick schemes, but from patient, disciplined investing. The moral? One bad bet doesn't define you, but learning from it can redefine your future. Alex's story reminds us, always research thoroughly, diversify your portfolio, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. If you've got your own financial close call, drop it in the comments below. We might feature it next.